I created myself using free AI tools. If you've ever been interested in creating 3D animation for free, this is the moment. Watch this video till the end and I'll show you the step-by-step process of building your own 3D animation using tools that cost $0. The future of creation is here and you can start today.
We'll be using ChaGPT to generate our script. So head over to ChaGPT and paste this prompt. Write me a 20-second script of an African female anchor in a new studio talking about the power of Dreamina AI. Once you run it, ChaGPT will generate two things: the anchor's dialogue and an image generation prompt we'll use to create our 3D character. Now copy the image generation prompt, search for Copilot and paste it there. Before generating, add this at the very beginning of the prompt. Generate a 3D Pixar style. This will give you a Pixar-style 3D news anchor. Once the image is generated, download it. Next, go to Google AI Studio to generate the voiceover. Click on Get Started, then select Turn Text into Audio with Gemini. Change it from multi-speaker audio to single-speaker audio. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the script, and paste it into Google AI Studio. Choose your preferred voice.
Ready to build something awesome today? What kind of problem could we solve?
Click Run and wait a minute or two. Your voiceover is ready. Let me play it so you can hear how it sounds.
Good evening. Today in tech, Dreamina AI is changing how ideas become reality. With just a simple prompt, creators can generate stunning visuals, powerful concepts, and professional designs in.
Once you're happy, download the voiceover. Now for the final step, bringing everything together using Dreamina AI. Click the first link and register for a free account. From the menu, select AI Avatar. Upload the avatar image you generated with Copilot. Then upload your voiceover. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the image generation prompt, paste it here and click Generate. Wait for it to finish, and just like that, you've created a talking AI avatar without spending a dime. And there you go.
Good evening. Today in tech, Dreamina AI is changing how ideas become reality. With just a simple prompt, creators can generate stunning visuals, powerful concepts, and professional designs in seconds. From content creators to businesses, Dreamina AI is proving one thing: creativity now moves at the speed of imagination. This is not the future. It's happening now.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.